Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my E-Class and I'm going to change the tail lights to LED lights. And how do I do the upgrade? It's very simple and easy process, and let's get started. I have the new LED lights. These are the old ones and we're going to replace with the new lights. One set for the left, the other set for the right. After replacing the right side, the left side is still there. That I'm going to show you how we're going to change it. And let me turn it on and you will see the difference. Look at how nice, bright light. This is the new upgrade light and that's the original OEM light. It's very bright, and the other one, the original, is not that bright. I like this light. This is the light we're going to replace it with the new light. We're going to open one nut here and one here. We're going to use 8mm socket. Open these two. Then there is a third one. This is the clip. It's gonna drop down. That locks into the body. Open up these. Once these are open, now we're going to look right in here, and this is the one. And we're going to put our socket. Once it's loose, that's good enough. Then we're going to pop this one open. As it pops open, now you slide it out. As you've seen it, just slide it a little bit. This is the clip I'm talking about. Once we lose the nut, this clip goes down and that fits right here. It fits right into this channel and it locks in. And this is the connector. You press it and then you pull it. So this is the old one, we took it out, and this is the new one. We're going to remove the protective film. And on this one, we just have to loosen this. Once it's loose, it drops down. Now we're going to put it in. Also, it's a good idea, install a new one, do this little house cleaning. Just clean the dirt. First, we're going to install the connector. And the connector goes only one way. Two slide cut that goes into this channel, and we just press it in and it snaps in. We're going to tilt it just like this. If you can take a look here, this is what I'm talking about. So once we're going to put it here, just grab it with your finger and just make sure that it goes into the channel. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. So it holds right here next to my finger. And now we can put this one down and we can hand tie it. And then we can use the socket. And now we're going to press the front. And we're going to tighten these. So that's the tip I wanted to share with you, that don't open the whole thing, then it will be harder to put it on. Just make it loose. Put your finger, grab it, and then just tilt the light and it fits in. And now I'm going to tighten it. Now we're going to work on this light. And we're going to go behind the light in the trunk, and this is the flap. You open the flap, you push this one back, and this is the electrical connection. First, we're going to open the electrical connection. So we're going to open 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 1 right there. 4. And it requires 8mm socket. These are the 3 nuts we removed from here. 1 here, 1 from there, 1 from here. And this nut is attached to this clip, which comes out from here. Just pull it out. And now we're going to place with the new one. And this is the new one. We're going to remove the protective foam. So this is the old one and this is the new one. These are two, and it has a double-sided tape. You just remove the double-sided tape and we're going to stick this one onto body. Place it down there and just press it, the double-sided tape. One on this side and one on this side. Now we're going to put the light back into the holes. And we're going to press it in. Once it's firmly pressed in, now we're going to go on the back of the light. We're going to put these nuts back on and we're going to tighten it. Once we tighten all the nuts, then we're going to put the connector back. You press the connector firmly and all the nuts has been tightened, and that's it. And now we're going to put this one back into the groove. After the upgrade, it looks really beautiful, very nice, bright, and the signal light are working really nice. And if we put the reverse, and look at the reverse light, is so bright. So this is how it's easy and simple to upgrade your E55 Mercedes tail lights. And if you like this video, please like. Easy steps. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.